Practice test 18, Adaptation in Polar Animals. Today I want to discuss how animals survive in extremely cold environments through adaptation. Adaptations are physical or behavioral traits that improve survival in specific habitats. The first example is the polar bear. Polar bears have thick layers of fat called blubber beneath their skin. This insulation helps them stay warm in freezing Arctic temperatures. They also have white fur, which not only provides warmth, but also camouflage against snow and ice. This allows them to hunt seals more effectively. The second example is the Arctic fox. In winter, its fur changes color to white, blending with snow and helping it avoid predators. In summer, its coat turns brown, matching the tundra landscape. In addition, its small ears and short body reduce fat loss. These examples show how polar animals adapt physically and behaviorally to survive in extreme cold. Adaptation allows species to thrive in harsh environments. The professor explains how animals adapt to cold climates. Using examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.